Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's webinar. We really appreciate that you're taking some time to join us today. My name is Megan, the technical support of Flying Voice. We are talking about a new phone product, FIP16Plus today. Without further ado, let's get started. If you have any questions during my presentation, please feel free to go ahead and sit down in the Q&A window. We will answer the question in the last part of this webinar. First, we will talk a little about the phone overview, then the highlight feature of the phone, the difference between the FIP16Plus and the old model, FIP16. Later, we will introduce the phone management and the usage scenarios. Let's go to the phone overview. In terms of hardware, it has a 1.8-inch TFT color screen and a user-friendly UI design, provides an excellent voice quality. We have created high-definition sound quality solutions for the hands-side and the hands-free scenarios, even in a noisy environment. FIP16Plus is a portable cordless phone equipped with a bed clip that can be attached to the bed clip or your pocket clip. Free your hands and you no need to hold it all the time. The headset design features a comfortable and easy grip. And there is a 3.5mm headphone jack in the left side of the phone. You can plug in a headphone to answer the calls. On the bottom, you can see here is a base station. It can not only place the phone, but also charge it. FIP16Plus has a built-in battery. It supports USB charging. In terms of software, FIP16Plus supports 2 SIP accounts and support all the common call features, such as the call hold, mute, do not disturb, redial, auto answer, one-touch speed dial, call forward, call waiting, call transfer, the conference call, paging, intercom, and so on. It also supports direct IP calls without a SIP proxy server. For the phone book, you can save 2,000 contacts, meet most application needs. FIP16Plus is IP52 rated, so will be protected from the sprays of water and dust. You can enjoy the HD calls even when working in a dusty or humid environment. Finally, the phone is compatible with the major PBX vendors, such as Asterisk, Broadsoft, Yearstar, Metaswitch, Verdia, Vital PBX, and so on. You may care about the highlights of the phone, so let's check together. First one, removable bed clip. It can be attached to the bed clip or pocket clip, which is more convenient for people to use. It is most suitable for the warehousing, logistics, and the manufacturing stuff. Long battery life. With a built-in 4,000 mAh high-capacity battery, FIP16Plus supports 150 hours standby time and 12 hours talk time. You don't have to recharge it often. For the internet connection, FIP16Plus supports both 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The deployment can be completed quickly and flexibly without changing your existing IP network wiring. In other words, while there is a wireless network, then you can use this FIP16Plus phone. The phone also supports IEEE 802.11 KR standard fast roaming. It can roam quickly from one access point to another in a seamless way. You can enjoy a truly seamless calling experience, even when walking around in the workplace. As you know, FIP16 Plus is an upgraded version of FIP16. Let's see the difference between these two models. First of all, the battery capacity is the same, both 4,000 milliampere, but FIP16 Plus used the battery from another manufacturer, and it changes a lot on the hardware and the software. So the standby time upgrades to 150 hours, but the FIP16 standby time is 12 hours. Another thing is FIP16 Plus talk time upgrade to 12 hours. FIP6 talk time is 10 hours. The run of the FIP16 Plus is also upgraded to 128 megabytes, and the FIP6 is 32 megabytes. Another difference is the power adapter. FIP16 Plus uses a 5-volt and 2-ampere power adapter. FIP16 uses a 5-volt and 1 ampere. The next one is the bed clip. FIP16 Plus has a bed clip, but FIP6 does not. The last one is ETSI certification. FIP16 Plus has this certification. Its voice is louder and the voice quality is better. Now we come to the phone management. FIP16 Plus can be managed and configured quickly and conveniently by our FACS system and also the FDC software. With these two tools, you can manage the device centralized and also monitor the device status. Besides, you can do some operations such as bench configure or upgrade the firmware version, or factory reset the phone. Both of them can help you to manage and configure the phones quickly, but which one should you choose to reach your business goals? Here is the difference. FACS, it is a cloud-based system with multi-level management. You can create a different level account for your customer to manage the phone. When there is a need, you can debug or manage the phone for the end user remotely. FDC, it is a desktop software and available for Windows 7 and above. Install the software on your computer, then you can manage and configure the phones in the local network. So in one word, FACS is a system for you to control the device remotely, but FDC is a software for you to control the devices in the local network. Finally, let's talk about some usage scenarios of the phone. FIP16 Plus is a portable cordless phone with a bed clip. It is suitable for the warehouse, the factory, the logistics, the hospital, staff such as the hall monitors, the facility crew, and the janitorial teams, or anyone who needs to walk around. When the staff moving on the workplace, they can enjoy the free internal calls and the rich call features. They can attach the phone to the belt or the pocket when they need to work. The phone can be also used in some harsh environments. This is a solution for the warehouse based on our phones and the Yesta PBX. Deploy the PBX in the server room of the headquarters and connect it to the network. then create extensions for the employees in various regions. The phone at the branch is connected to the network of the headquarters via VPN. At the office, the meeting room, in the reception, we deploy the desktop phone. On the warehouse, the goods reception area, the picking area, repacking area, and the shipping area deploys the FIP16Plus. So that all the staff can stay connected no matter where they are. And the long standby time can meet their requirement, even though they need to be on duty for a long time. It's water in the duster resident that allows them to enjoy the HD voice calls even when working in a dusty or humid warehouse environment. Besides, they can also do the paging and intercom features to communicate with each other, which improves their work efficiency. Okay, that's all for today's presentation. We jump over to the Q&A session. Please tell me if you have any questions, and you can share the question in the Q&A window. Do you have any questions about this product? Any questions are welcome. Let us wait for one more second. Okay, since you know this phone very well, so you don't have a question. If you have any questions in the future, please feel free to contact us. For the technical questions, you can send an email to support@flyingvoice.com. For the sales questions, you can send the email to sales@flyingvoice.com. Okay, that's all for today's webinar. Thank you again for attending, and everybody stay safe and healthy. See you next time. Bye-bye.